So we're going to introduce you to our other shear. This is also a squaring shear, but it's much larger than our bench top one. This one is bolted to the floor, made by Jet. I call these a Stomp Shear because instead of a handle, you've got this big pedal that you stomp, and that's what does the cutting. We got to watch out for toes with this guy. It sticks out on either end. Make sure before you get up and jump on this to cut, make sure everybody's feet are clear. We should be still using the blood circle and making sure that everybody is well back anyways. On this one, we've got the same thing. We've got a ruler over on this edge that is square to the blade. So if we want to square a piece of metal, we can push it up against there, slide it under the hold down bar, and we can use the ruler if we want. If I set that at 8 inches, fingers well back, we can get up on here and kind of give a little hop. All right, so that should be square. We turn it. You can see that one is obviously not. We'll go right there. And the last one here. So we can use this as well as our other shear to cut measurements. We can use it to square. One thing I've noticed though is when we use this machine, we do want to make sure we're pushing the piece of metal into the ruler. It appears the hold down bar tends to kind of just a little bit twist the piece of metal away from the ruler. So make sure you're holding it tight against the ruler when you cut. This one just dumps the pieces on the ground. We need to make sure those get picked up and put away when we do our cleanup. Pretty straightforward, simple machine.